Hello, I'm Jacob with the Virtual Technology Assistance Program at Thomas Nelson Community College. Last time we went over Google Drive. Today we will be covering Microsoft OneDrive. Now you don't get as much storage with OneDrive as you do with Google Drive, but because OneDrive is built straight into Windows, it's a lot easier to use. So to get into OneDrive, just click on the File Explorer and open up OneDrive here on the left. And if we give it a second, it'll open up a window asking us to log in. There we go. So I'm going to enter my email here. And hit Create Account. Now it's going to ask me to open it up in the web browser. I'm going to use Firefox. I always use this app. Cool. And click Sign Up for free. So let's enter our email again. And then enter a password here. If you need help on creating a password, see my video on that, which I'll link in the video description below. And enter your first and last name. And your country and region, as well as your birthday. And it's going to send you an email, so you are going to need to open that just to make sure. And I'm going to uncheck this so that I don't receive those emails. There's my code. And now I need to enter a CAPTCHA. And stay signed in. Cool, and here's a nice tutorial on how to use it. So I'll let you look through that when you make your account. So there is a premium plan that gets you all the features that you see here, but I just want my free 5 gigabytes of storage. As long as I'm not storing a lot of videos or images in it, it'll actually be a lot more than enough to synchronize all my homework. And if we click Get OneDrive, it takes us to the page where we can start OneDrive and open the link. So Microsoft OneDrive. And it takes us right back to the same place. We're going to enter the same email. Except this time we're going to click Sign In. And it asks for our password again. Sign in. Hit Next. I'm going to hit Don't Send Optional Data, but it's completely up to you. And there it tells us where to find our file. And again, it's going to try to ask us about this. I'm going to say Not Now again. And here's a little tutorial. So by right-clicking, we can share files. The cloud icon means that it's stored in the cloud and not on your device. The green check mark means that it's saved to your device, but it's not synchronized with the cloud yet. And the solid green check mark means that it is synchronized both with the cloud and local to your device. Yep, see? There we go. It outlines all of that. So if we wanted to, we can actually access any of the files that we store in our OneDrive folder on our phone. So we can do that pretty easily. I'm going to do that later though. And let's open up my OneDrive folder. Cool. So here's the same files we saw earlier. And we see that all 3 of these are in the cloud. And this is local, but it's not been synced with the cloud yet. And we can easily share these files with friends too. So like if I right click on this, I can hit share. And I can either email it to them directly, or I can copy the link and paste it wherever I want. And I can change the permissions of the link, so anyone with the link can edit and save those. And yeah, just copy the link. If you have multiple computers, like say a desktop PC and a laptop, you can sign in on both, start working on a Word doc on one machine, get up, and without doing anything, pick right up where you left off, starting on the other machine. It's incredibly seamless, and you don't need to worry about emailing files to yourself or making sure that you have your thumb drive with you. So that about does that for this video. If you have any questions about OneDrive, or if there's something you would like us to cover in the future, leave it in the comments or send us an email at vtaptncc@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.